Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix the Facebook friend request not receiving problem. For that, make sure you have updated your Facebook app. If you haven't, then just go to the Play Store. On the top you can see search bar, just tap on it and search Facebook. See if you have any update, just tap on the update option and then you can update your Facebook app. If this also does not fix your problem, then just go back, open your Facebook app, tap on the friend request page which is on the second option here on the top. Since I don't have any friend request, if you have any friend request, then you can just screenshot this. Go to the home page. On the top right corner you can see three line icon. Tap on it. On the bottom you can see help and support option. Just tap on it. Tap on report a problem. Here you will see continue to report a problem option. Tap on it. Wait until Facebook create the report. Here you can see the option of including in report or not including report. Just tap on include in report. Here are a bunch of options. You just need to tap on friend request option since you are facing the friend request not receiving problem. Here on the top you can describe the issue of friend request not receiving problem. From the bottom you can upload the photo. Then after that, on the top right corner you can see the arrow sign. Just tap on it and then you can send the report to the Facebook. After you send the report, Facebook will fix the problem after 24 hours or more than that. So thank you guys for watching the tutorial. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial videos.